Welcome to Pure Vital Life. Today, we discover 5 incredible seeds that naturally boost collagen, firm skin, and reduce those annoying wrinkles. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to sagging skin, fine lines, and a noticeable loss of youthful facial elasticity. But nature provides a powerful solution to this problem. Tiny seeds pack massive nutritional benefits that restore your beautiful, glowing, youthful complexion. Instead of relying on expensive creams or invasive treatments, you can nourish your skin deeply from within using these natural, everyday ingredients. These 5 seeds are easy to find and incredibly simple to incorporate into your daily diet for maximum skin health and vitality. Let us begin our exciting journey into the world of natural skin nutrition, starting with our very first powerful collagen-boosting seed. Number 1 is pumpkin seeds. These delicious green seeds are an absolute powerhouse when it comes to maintaining a firm, youthful complexion. Pumpkin seeds contain exceptionally high levels of zinc, an essential mineral that acts like a strict manager for your skin-building processes. This vital zinc directly coordinates the complex biological construction of new collagen proteins, ensuring your skin remains strong, tight, and incredibly resilient. Furthermore, the zinc found in pumpkin seeds actively assists in repairing damaged facial tissues, healing minor skin imperfections quickly and very effectively. Without adequate zinc from dietary sources like pumpkin seeds, your body simply cannot synthesize the high-quality collagen needed for youthful skin. Enjoying a small handful of roasted pumpkin seeds daily provides enough zinc to keep your collagen production running at its absolute peak. You can sprinkle these nutritious seeds over your morning oatmeal, blend them into soups, or simply eat them raw as a snack. Their rich, nutty flavor makes them a delightful addition to any meal, while secretly working hard to erase those stubborn facial wrinkles. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds will gradually transform your skin texture, making it feel noticeably firmer and looking much more beautifully radiant. So always remember to keep a jar of fresh pumpkin seeds in your kitchen pantry for your daily dose of skin nutrition. Now that we understand the magic of pumpkin seeds, let us move on to the second incredible seed for your skin health. Number 2 is chia seeds. These tiny black seeds are legendary for their massive nutritional profile and amazing skin hydration boosting properties. Chia seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in controlling harmful inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is a major enemy of youthful skin because it actively destroys existing collagen and accelerates the formation of deep wrinkles. By consuming chia seeds, you effectively extinguish this internal fire, protecting your precious collagen reserves from unnecessary breakdown and premature aging effects. Additionally, chia seeds possess an extraordinary ability to absorb and retain water, holding up to 12 times their weight in pure moisture. When you eat soaked chia seeds, they deliver this trapped hydration directly to your skin cells, keeping them beautifully plump and bouncy. This intense internal hydration naturally smooths out fine lines from the inside out, giving your face a dewy, fresh, and youthful appearance. Preparing chia pudding with almond milk and fresh berries is a delicious way to consume these hydrating seeds for your morning breakfast. You can also mix them into your favorite salad dressings or stir them into a refreshing glass of lemon water every afternoon. Make chia seeds a staple in your daily routine to ensure your skin remains deeply hydrated, calm, and free from destructive inflammation. Next up on our beauty list is a familiar favorite that packs a surprising punch against environmental damage and premature skin aging. Number 3 is sunflower seeds. These cheerful seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants that create a protective shield for your delicate skin. Sunflower seeds provide an abundant supply of vitamin E, a crucial nutrient that defends your existing collagen structures from harmful environmental aggressors. This potent vitamin neutralizes dangerous free radicals generated by daily exposure to harsh ultraviolet sunlight and toxic urban pollution in the air. By stopping these free radicals, vitamin E prevents the rapid degradation of your skin elasticity, keeping your face looking tight and lifted. Furthermore, sunflower seeds are an excellent source of selenium, a trace mineral that works synergistically with vitamin E to repair cellular damage. This powerful combination acts like an invisible armor, ensuring your hard-earned collagen remains intact and fully functional for many years ahead. Adding a handful of unsalted sunflower seeds to your daily diet is a simple yet highly effective strategy for long-term duty. Toss them into your fresh green salads for a delightful crunch, or blend them into homemade pesto for a nutritious pasta dish. Their mild flavor blends seamlessly into countless recipes, making it incredibly easy to protect your skin from the inside out every day. Protect your collagen investment by embracing the natural defensive power of sunflower seeds and enjoy a resilient, glowing complexion through every season.
Moving forward, we discover a seed that is absolutely essential for maintaining skin thickness and elasticity, especially as we grow much older. Number 4 is flax seeds. These glossy brown seeds are a true superfood for women seeking to maintain optimal hormonal balance naturally. Flax seeds contain the highest dietary concentration of lignans, unique plant compounds that help regulate and balance estrogen levels within your body. Estrogen is vitally important for maintaining skin thickness and elasticity, but its natural production declines significantly after we pass age of 30. This hormonal drop leads to thinner, fragile skin that sags easily and loses its youthful bounce, making wrinkles appear much more prominent. The lignans in flax seeds gently support your hormonal health, helping to preserve that crucial skin thickness and prevent unwanted facial sagging. To unlock their full nutritional benefits, you must consume ground flax seeds, as whole seeds will simply pass through your digestive system. Keep a jar of milled flax seeds in your refrigerator to preserve their delicate oils and prevent them from spoiling too quickly. Stir 2 tablespoons of ground flax into your morning yogurt or mix it into your pancake batter for a hidden beauty boost. Consistent consumption of these hormone-balancing seeds will help maintain your skin structure, keeping it firm and resilient despite the aging process. Embrace the power of flax seeds to support your body internally and maintain a beautifully thick, youthful complexion for many more years. Finally, we reach our 5th miraculous seed, a complete nutritional powerhouse that rebuilds your skin barrier and restores ultimate cellular health daily. Number 5 is hemp seeds. These soft, nutty seeds are a rare plant-based source of highly digestible and completely perfect protein. Hemp seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks your body desperately needs to manufacture new collagen. Without these crucial amino acids, your skin cannot rebuild its structural matrix, leading to inevitable sagging and a dull, tired-looking complexion. In addition to complete protein, hemp seeds are rich in gamma-linolenic acid, a special fatty acid that strongly fortifies your skin. This unique compound strengthens the outer barrier of your skin, preventing essential moisture from escaping and blocking harmful environmental irritants from entering. A strong skin barrier means a plumper, smoother face that naturally resists the formation of deep wrinkles and retains a healthy glow. Hemp seeds have a delicious creamy texture that melts perfectly into smoothies, making them an effortless addition to your daily beauty routine. You can also sprinkle these versatile seeds over your avocado toast or mix them into a warm bowl of hearty quinoa porridge. By providing complete protein and vital fatty acids, hemp seeds offer comprehensive support for rebuilding and protecting your beautiful, youthful skin structure. Incorporate hemp seeds into your diet today and watch as your complexion transforms into a radiant reflection of true inner health vitality. Now that you know the 5 ultimate seeds, let us combine them into one incredibly powerful daily beauty-boosting morning health drink. We present the ultimate skin-firming smoothie, a simple yet highly effective recipe designed to maximize your natural collagen production every day. Start by adding 1 fresh banana and half a cup of frozen berries into your blender for natural sweetness and extra antioxidants. Next, tossing 1 tablespoon each of pumpkin, chia, sunflower, and flax seeds, plus those creamy, protein-rich organic raw hemp seeds. Pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and a small handful of fresh spinach for an extra dose of essential vitamins. Blend everything on high speed until completely smooth and creamy, creating a delicious elixir that feeds your skin from the inside out. Drinking this nutrient-dense smoothie every morning provides your body with the perfect synergistic blend of zinc, omega-3s, and complete proteins. It delivers vitamin E, selenium, and hormone-balancing lignans directly to your cells, creating the ultimate internal environment for massive collagen synthesis. Within just a few weeks of enjoying this daily smoothie, you will notice your skin becoming significantly firmer, brighter, and deeply hydrated. Fine lines will begin to soften, and that youthful elasticity you thought was gone forever will gradually return to your beautiful face. True beauty always begins from within, and nourishing your body with these 5 incredible seeds is the smartest investment for your skin. Consistency is the absolute key to success, so make these powerful seeds a permanent part of your daily health and wellness journey. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the fascinating world of natural, seed-based collagen-boosting nutrition science. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. This is Pure Vital Life, wishing you a beautiful, healthy day filled with radiant skin, endless energy, and absolute joy. See you soon.